In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install apps on your Amazon FireStick 4K Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is scroll all the way over to the very right where you see these like three little boxes, just like so. Go ahead and just scroll down on here and you're going to see the App Store. Select this, and in the App Store, you're going to see a few different things. On the main page, you're going to have all the featured apps, the featured games, all categories, and an app library as well. You can go ahead and select any of these. Or what you can also go ahead and do is just scroll down and essentially go to this little search bar, search for anything in specific. For example, let's just go ahead and say we want, Apple TV. Select this, and then once you get on the app page of whatever app you're trying to download, you're going to see a little download option on it. You'd simply go ahead and select this download option. From here, it'll go ahead and download, and you can back out to the home menu and scroll over here, and it should be in this menu. If you don't see it, select the little three little box icons again, and you're going to see all of your apps. And from here, you can go ahead and open it up. Now, if you want to move it to the very front, simply hit the menu button. It's going to bring up a little options page. It looks like this. Hit move or hit move to front, and it'll go ahead and bring it to the very front of your home screen. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can download and install apps here on a FireStick 4K Max. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.